Namaskar to all my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am fine, thank you. Now I am taking stable class of standard 5. Today's topic natural resources of Tripura. We know Tripura is a land of Tilas and Longas. That is the land of hills and valleys. There are 5 low hills range in the state. 11 rivers are flowing through the valley of them. The rivers valley are very fertile. The climate of Tripura tropical monsoon type and moderate nature. The yearly rainfall is about 210 centimeter in average. The total geographical area of Tripura 10,49,169 hectare. Agriculture issues may be classified into 5 ways: food crops, vegetables, fruits, fishery and crops. Food crops, right? Rice is the staple food of Tripura. Other than it is wheat is also produced in Tripura. Vegetables, among the vegetables, potato production of Tripura is remarkable. The TPS true potato seed and exporting to Bangladesh and South America. Fruits, among all the fruits, pineapple production of Tripura. There is a fruit production of jackfruit and sugarcane are also notable. Northeastern Region Agriculture Marketing Corporation Limited. Fishery, Palestinian Lake of Tripura, Dombur Lake, Rudrasagar Mela. Cash crop, there are 56 tea gardens in Tripura, called second rubber capital of Tripura. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Arjun flower for making broomstick is also notable. Forest production exporting the other state of India. There are 2 national parks in the total 4 centuries of Tripura. National parks: Leopard National Park at Sipaitola in Vishalgarh subdivision. It is also famous very spectacled monkey. It is mentioned here and rare among vanishing pangolin. Bandrui is also found in Tripura. Natural gas, Oil Natural Gas Corporation ONGC had found natural gas in Tripura. The Boromura, Rukia, Trisha. The natural gas found in Tripura 97%. Cottage industry, handloom for weaving cloths, bamboo, cane production Tripura are very famous in India. Nowadays tourism is also called an industry. Now I write down some answer of some question. What are the natural resources of in Tripura? What is TPS? TPS, true potato seeds. True potato seed. What is the full from ONGC? Oil Natural Gas Corporation. What mean by NARMEC? Northeastern Region Agriculture. Marketing Corporation Limited. What is Arjun flower? Arjun flower is a broomstick. Fill in the blanks. Dash is second Rava capital of Tripura. Tripura. Among the fruits of Tripura, pineapple is very famous. Pangolin is very rare wild animal. Wildlife found in Tripura. Handloom cottage industry of Tripura is famous. In Tripura, through pipelines, domestic, LPG gas, supplied at Badarghat, Agartala, Arjun flower is used for nice broom sticks. Namaskar, thank you.